morning from Aquatica. We are here for Reef Plunge, the newest slide, which replaces an old slide. But we're here to check it out. I've got a GoPro here, so we're gonna go down the slide as I am walking up the stairs. No hat on. Yes, I do have a top of my head. Aquatica's got a lot of changes going on. As we pull into the parking lot, there's all kinds of construction as they are working on it's like moving some things around so they can have some expansion in the future. You look behind me, see the pool. I'll show some more of that later as we make our way up to the top. I will have to take these off. So here we go. Take a look over there. There it is. As we get here to the top. All right, here we go. We're going down the slide. Let's go. Woo! We're going through the pool. And that's Reef Plunge here at Aquatica. Pretty fun. So we just rode Reef Plunge, really cool, had fun. You know, it's different in the fact that it has a run out instead of a pool you're dropping into. But let's talk to Brad with Aquatica and find out why they did this. Now I'm with Brad Gilmore here at Aquatica. Reef Plunge. I know this is your guys' signature attraction. What has changed?
Yeah, so Reef Plunge is still a body slide, but we were able to make quite a few enhancements to our slide. Starting off with the upper portion of the slide, we've added translucent elements. So the first section, you'll go through and slide past a bunch of translucent animals. There's even a sea lion in there, fish, sharks, all these really cool things that you're gonna slide past. And then you go through a ring experience where as you get closer to our dynamic habitat, the rings get closer together and it makes you feel like you're going faster, really. But the highlight of the experience is you slide through our dynamic habitat. And the dynamic habitat is, we've got our iconic Commerson Dolphins in there. We've got leopard sharks and other fish and other fish species. And then you finish out into this run out. Previously, we had a splash pool here. The run out does two things for us. It allows us to lower our height requirement. So here at Aquatica, we've got 50 slides, and a majority of them are geared towards folks that would be 42-inch height requirement. So real family-friendly experience. So we're able to lower the height requirement to 42 inches, and the runouts also allow us to dispatch riders quicker, which makes our lines go much quicker here at the park. So really awesome enhancements to Reef Plunge.
The slide is pretty much the same except for the additional translucent areas and the fact that you are splashing down into a run out instead of a pool. And you can still go around the corner to the underwater viewing area so you can get a good look at the dolphins and the other aquatic animals in the habitat. You see the dolphins, but oh, there's some fish. There's some, looks like sharks or fish. They're like hiding, but the dolphins, Commersons, are very active, so they're always swimming around. Oh, there they are. Lots of fun. Nice to see a little bit more light. You can see a little bit more as you're going down the slide, and if you slow down enough, you might be able to see the dolphins as you're going through the translucent part through the aquarium there, so the habitat. So that's it from Aquatica. Remember to subscribe, comment, be sure to like this video, and remember, we'll see you in the parks. Be sure to check out Aquatica.